Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to create a bracelet with 3 colors using the crochet. And in order to start this bracelet I will begin with the chain stitch. So I'll put 2 of the yarns away and I'll keep 1 of the yarns. And before I begin making the bracelet, I will think about the bracelet closure. So in order to close the bracelet, I will need a bit of cord. So I will keep this bit of cord as the bracelet closure, and here I will start making the first loop of my bracelet. So I will put my cord over my forefinger like this, and I turn it around again so that I create this X. Now I will take the crochet, put it under this cord, and with the crochet hook I will pull on this cord and take it out through on the other side of the cords and create the first loop. And now I will start creating the chain stitch for my bracelet. So I will twist the yarn around my crochet like this, and with the yarn, with the crochet hook, I will grab the yarn and pull it out through my first loop, and I will create the second loop. So let's do the same operation several times, like this, until I create the first color of my bracelet. So I have this loop, I twist the yarn around the crochet, with the crochet hook I grab the yarn and pull it out through the previous loop, and I create the next loop. So let's continue making these loops until I obtain the length that I need for my bracelet, so that it goes around my wrist. And now let's make one more loop like this, and this will be our last loop. Let's see the bracelet. So this bracelet from here until here goes around my wrist, and I will measure the cord and cut here so that these 2 cords are equally long. I'll pull on the crochet like this, and I have taken the crochet out, and I have these 2 cords for my first color of the bracelet, of the friendship bracelet. Now I will take the black yarn, put it away, and I will take another color. I will take this light pink color, and I will measure again a bit of yarn that is just as long as the other cord for the bracelet closure, and here I will start making a loop. I will put my crochet through the first loop of my chain stitch, black chain stitch, and I will grab the loop and put it through my first black loop like this, and I have created the first light pink loop. And now I will create one loop like this, and I will look for the next loop, and I will put my crochet into the next black loop. I will grab the yarn and pull it out through the black loop, and I have two pink loops. I will grab the first pink loop, put it through the second pink loop and create one loop. And I will continue by doing the next step exactly as I did the steps before. So I will put my crochet through the next loop like this, the next black loop. I grab the yarn, the pink yarn, put it through the black loop. Now I have two pink yarns, and take the first pink yarn through the second pink yarn and make another pink loop. Again, I will put my crochet through the black loop, grab the pink yarn, take it out through the black loop. I have now two pink loops, and take the first pink loop through the second pink loop and create one loop. And let's repeat. I put the crochet through the next black loop, grab the pink yarn, take it out through the black loop. Now I have the two pink loops, and I take the first pink loop, take it out through the second pink loop and create one pink loop. And I will continue doing this until the end of my bracelet. And now I have reached the end of the bracelet. I will one more time take the loop out through the black loop, and now let's put the yarn through the last loop, like this, and I have created the last loop of the bracelet. Now let's see from a distance. I will measure the two cords and cut like this, and now I'll pull on the yarn, and I have created the second cord like this. So far our bracelet looks like this. So it has two colors, pink and black. So one alternative is to leave the bracelet like this, so you can wear it on this side, or put it the other way around and wear it with the back side visible like this, because it has different lines here and it looks more interesting. But you can also wear it on the front side, because this is practically the front side. And now I will put the light pink yarn away. And I will take the darker pink yarn. Again, I will measure the length of this cord. I'll make a loop here, and I will create a loop on this side. So I will put my, let's see from a closer distance, I have this loop here. I will put my crochet through the first loop here. I'll put it through this loop and take it out like this. So I have taken out the first loop through the black loop. And now I will again put my crochet through the next loop, and I will twist the dark pink yarn around the crochet and grab the yarn like this and take it out through my loop, the other loop, the pink loop, and I have created one loop here. I will take the next black loop, put the crochet through the next black loop. Again, I take the pink yarn, put it through the black loop. I create these two loops, and then I create one loop. Again, I put my crochet through the black loop, the next black loop. I grab the pink yarn, put it through the black loop, and again I take it out through this pink loop. I put my crochet through the black loop, I grab with my crochet the pink loop and take it out through the black loop, and I have created two pink loops here, and I take the first pink loop and put it through the second pink loop and create another loop like this. Again, I will put my crochet through the next black loop, I grab the pink loop, take it out through, and I have created two pink loops, and the first pink loop will be taken out through the second pink loop like this, and I have also created the loops on this side. So I will continue till I reach the end of my bracelet, and then I will show you how to close the bracelet. And now I have reached the end of the bracelet. I will put the cord through the black loop like this, and then through the pink loop, and now I will put the cord through the last loop. Now I have put the crochet through the last black loop, I grab the pink cord like this and take it out through the other pink cord, and I have created the last loop here. And now, let's see from a distance, I will measure the length of my cord so that it is the same length as the other cords like this. And now I will pull the cord out through the loop like this. And the bracelet is finished. So this is the way the back of the bracelet looks like, and this is the front of the bracelet. I will put the last cord away. And now I can either tie my bracelet like this with those cords like this, making a simple knot like this, or if I want to make the bracelet look more beautiful, I will grab the bracelet like this and I will start braiding these cords. And now that I have braided the cord until the end, I will make a knot so that it doesn't open. I'll take the scissors and cut. And I have created the first cord like this to close the bracelet. And now I will grab the other end of the bracelet And I will start braiding. And now I have braided till the end of the cord. I will make a knot. I will take the scissors and cut. Like this, and I have created the bracelet, and now I can put the bracelet around my wrist like this and tie by using these two cords, so I can make a second knot if I want to be sure that it's not going to fall off my wrist. Or I can make a sliding knot, a simple sliding knot, by putting the bracelet cords like this. So I will put one over the other bracelet cords, then I will take the cord back this way, and now I will create a loop like this. This way I have created a loop, and as you can see, this cord is sliding through the loop that I have created. So if I pull the cord like this, it goes through my loop and closes my bracelet. If I pull in this direction, the bracelet will open because the cord will go through this loop here. So let's tie this loop like this. So I have tied this knot like this, and now I can close my bracelet like this and open it. So let's see what my sliding knot looks like. So this is the bracelet, and I'm going to pull on these two cords like this, and my bracelet has closed. So this is the bracelet that I have created.